The 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor R is here, and it's an absolute beast built for those who demand extreme power, off-road dominance, and unmatched performance. If you thought the previous Raptors were aggressive, Ford just took things to a whole new level. Packed with raw horsepower, hardcore suspension, and a design that screams dominance, the 2025 Raptor R isn't just a truck, it's a statement. Welcome to Auto Igniters, where we bring you the most thrilling updates on the automotive world. Let's dive deep into what makes this Raptor R the ultimate off-road king and whether it's worth the price tag. First things first, the heart of the beast. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor R is powered by a supercharged 5.2-liter V8, the same engine found in the Shelby GT500. But Ford has fine-tuned it for even better low-end torque and durability to handle the roughest terrains. This powerhouse cranks out over 700 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful off-road trucks on the market. Mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, it delivers an aggressive, throaty roar that instantly reminds you why the Raptor R is in a league of its own. Whether you're gunning it down desert trails or tackling deep mud, this truck doesn't just handle the terrain, it dominates it. Now, let's talk about what truly sets the 2025 Raptor R apart, its off-road capabilities. This isn't just a regular F-150 with big tires, it's built to conquer anything you throw at it. It comes equipped with Fox Live valve shocks, giving you incredible suspension travel, making jumps in uneven terrain feel like nothing. The beefed-up skid plates, reinforced frame, and advanced all-wheel drive system ensure that even the toughest trails won't slow this beast down. Plus, it features class-leading ground clearance, making obstacles that would stop other trucks feel like minor bumps in the road. The terrain management system is another game-changer, allowing you to switch between different driving modes for sand, rock crawling, mud, and even high-speed desert runs. And let's not forget the 37-inch all-terrain tires that give you insane grip, making sure you're always in control, whether you're on loose gravel or deep snow. The one-pedal drive mode is a dream for off-roaders, letting you modulate speed effortlessly over technical terrain. Simply put, this truck isn't just made for off-roading, it was built for it. But the Raptor R isn't just about brute strength, it's also about style and luxury. The 2025 model features a bold and aggressive front fascia, with a massive blacked-out grille showcasing the Ford logo proudly. The signature C-clamp LED headlights give it an unmistakable look, while the vented hood and flared fenders scream high performance. Around the back, you'll find a rugged rear bumper, bold Raptor branding, and dual exhaust tips, emphasizing the truck's muscular stance. It's a truck that doesn't just perform like a monster, it looks the part too. Step inside, and Ford has made sure the interior matches the truck's rugged exterior. You get premium Recaro leather seats with Raptor branding, ensuring comfort even during the wildest off-road adventures. The massive 12-inch digital instrument cluster and an equally large touchscreen infotainment system give you everything you need at your fingertips. Ford's latest Sync 4 system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the Bang & Olufsen premium sound system makes every ride feel like an experience. And let's not forget the panoramic sunroof, because nothing beats cruising in a Raptor with the open sky above you. Now, let's talk numbers. The starting price of the 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor R is expected to be around $110,000, making it one of the most expensive factory-built off-road trucks out there. But when you consider the supercharged V8, top-tier off-road technology, and luxury interior, it's clear that this isn't just a truck, it's a high-performance machine designed for those who demand the best. It competes with the likes of the Ram Trex and Chevy Silverado ZR2, but Ford has made sure the Raptor R remains king of the off-road world. So, is the 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor R worth the price? If you're looking for the most powerful, most capable, and most thrilling off-road truck Ford has ever built, the answer is a resounding yes. This isn't just another pickup, it's an off-road warrior that refuses to compromise. Whether you're tackling the Baja Desert, rock crawling in Moab, or just cruising through town in a truck that turns heads everywhere, the Raptor R is built to deliver. What do you think of the 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor R? Is it the ultimate off-road truck, or would you pick something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible automotive content from Auto Igniters.